Okay, let's start Bajaj dry iron box unboxing. Here is some key features showing and delivery with original box. There is no extra package any other. This is from Amazon.in. You can see here main functions and features, and another side is showing some features and 1000 watt and 2 years additional warranty, also golden sole plate, golden color, and iron box is white color and golden sole plate, iron plate, lightweight and antibacterial germ protection. This side model number Bajaj DX7 and item code, there is some code and 1000 watts, and MRP is 1300, but it's available 700 rupees around in both Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, now going to unbox. This is open chadam, and there is no any other things, so iron box only we have here. Card, there are some extra papers, so like warranty card, and this is warranty card, and I think it is menu, quick menu. This is available in 2 languages, and English and Hindi. Okay, keep aside.